Hey guys, um, I found this cool game. I th it looks like a game of tag from the cover, but now I'm looking at it, it looks a little scary. But we'll figure it out. I don't have any items. How do I get items? Well, this game's kind of stupid already. There's the furry. A cool fire pit. Watch this, guys. Fight. Whoa, look at that guy. I'm gonna go say hi to him. He looks really nice. Wait, watch this. I feel. Watch this. So gonna be so funny. Watch this. I'm Tom Brady. That didn't do anything to him. You're strong. I don't like you. I mean, I guess I'll need all this food because there's a hunger bar down here, but then there's energy. How do I get more energy? Does it say? Oh, +2 energy. Oh, that's good. Guess I'll take a hot dog, I guess. And my inventory's full. Well, that's okay. There's a really oh, he's really short and fat. You look stupid. You look really stupid. You're a rude fat penguin too. Maybe he'll like it. Here, you want this? Look, it looks like you. A cool little penguin and a fat little guy. You can have that. Or the cool sharky. I'm gonna take this with me. I like him. Whoa, look, what is this over here? Is this a house? Maybe they'll let me live here. I don't need to pay rent though. I can give him the shark and be like, whoa, dude, that's cool. I can't you get in here? Let me in. Whoa, this is a really nice house. How do I rotate it? Well, that still works. Just mean the TV. The bed. I can go sleep here if I want to. Can't figure out how to rotate it. Whoa. Yeah, I don't want to figure that out. Oh, there we go. That's how you do it. Yeah, I got a cool house. Better than everybody else's. If I put food on the bed. Oh, look at that. Whenever I'm hungry, I go back right there. Let's see if I can see any more food. Man, this sucks. This game really sucks. Why are they so short? Okay. That guy's really tall and that guy's really short. He's supposed to be weaker than that guy's really strong. He looks like Slender Man. Well, what's up there? That's a cool light. I see Slender Man walking over there. He looks stupid. Where is everyone? Can I have water? I need it. This guy's speaking like Japanese or something. What language is that? That's like Hebrew. I mean, I'm good with hot dogs. Where's the playground? Let's see if you answer me. Whoa, that guy's really fat. It's a secret. Keeping secrets is not nice. Guys, if you didn't know that, keeping secrets isn't really nice. Why is it nighttime? Uh-oh. I should be okay, though. Whoa, there's eyes up there. Keeping secrets is mean. I can't spread positivity in this game. This is so mean. There's no reason that should have tagged. Keeping secrets is what bullies do. Man, these people are so rude. Every game I play, everyone's so rude to me for no reason. Some cool light there. Where's that advertisement? Have a seat. My face is always an option. Wait, what was that over there? I heard something. Or I saw something. I didn't hear anything. What's over there? Stop. Oh yeah, I can change my field of view. I'm not Q. That's stupid. I have it 120. No, I'm not fat. Let's do it 10. There we go. I can see a lot more. I see the pizza. I want the pizza. That's a hot dog. What's your guys' favorite tomato? I like the orange one. Like the big orange ones with the bumps. Too uncomfortable? What the heck? Wait, stop! Get out of my house. You don't have a warrant. Get out. Dude. Yeah, stay up there. You're smelly. Yeah, you can go away. I don't like you. Maybe I should eat something. That shouldn't be good. Why did that guy come into my house though? That's not nice. Even though I kind of stole this house. Can I eat it? I can't eat it. This game sucks. Wait, what if I go like this? No. And then now if I eat it? There we go. Except that took one of my hot dogs. That's okay. Oh, that's my shark. My shark! I have to grab it. Yeah, I got it. Let's put that right here. I want that hot dog, but these people are mean. What do I do now? This game sucks. I don't see anybody. Those look like eyes. That was scary. I don't really have anything to say about this game. I thought it looked cool, but it sucks. Like this guy down here. You suck. Uh-oh, I fall. What? Don't die. Please don't. This game can suck my balls. This sucks. I only survived one night. My favorite item was my shark. Yeah, it was. I can't even lie. Well, this game sucks. This game sucks big time. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. This video kind of sucked. Bye.